Outstanding.
Does it really matter? Yeah, I wonder what me talk about now. What me talk about, does it really matter how you arrange your plugins? And in a bit, you're going to see why or why not. In any DAW, if it matters or does not matter, if and how you arrange your plugins going, mixing a track whatsoever. So what I'm going to do here, we're going to turn on the limiter here so we can get the track a little bit louder, and I'm going to
Money na me chain them.
turn off the effects here.
Money na me chain them. Big up the tugs them a me a pen.
This is almost raw vocal. So does it really matter? What I'm going to add here is a plugin where you can see things. I'm just going to use some visuals, some visual.
Money na me chain them. Big up the tugs them a me a pen. We not laugh we on money crazy. Catching all rich and they chicken them crazy. Ah! Get stocks and money in it.
Alright, so for instant, go use for Filter Pro, Q, and one more here. So put it here. Let's use some visual plugin. I'm going to use another fab filter EQ, fab filter, multi-band compressor. So it's a bit confusing at first, but you get the picture. So here on the spectrum, you can see
money na me chain them. Big up the tugs them a me a pen.
as how it's look. So if I were to EQ out the lows and play it again,
money na me chain them. Big up the tugs them a me a pen. We not laugh we.
you can see set the whole of the lows gone. So for instance, we use a multi-band compressor, a compressor overall, and
money na me chain them.
so for argument's here, we just amp up it and compress it.
Money na me chain them. Big up the tugs them a me a pen. We not laugh we on money crazy. Catching all rich and they chicken them crazy.
You can see the visual representation and the spectrum here has changed. So in essence to that, how you really structure your plugins and use it, it affects the sound going into the next plugin. So for argument's sake, remove this plugin and use plugin alliance plugin I'm familiar with, and use this distortion. Right, what I'm going to do here, put this down here, so add another EQ for argument's sake and put the EQ over there. So this is how the vocals look.
Money na me chain them. Big up the tugs them a me a pen.
So if I were to select the lows and this, mix distortion, turn up this, just go exaggerate a few things. And what I'm going to do here is play it and add the drive to it. So you can look down here and see what's been going on.
Money na me chain them. Big up the tugs them a me a pen. We not laugh we on money crazy. Catching all rich and they chicken them crazy. Ah! Get stocks and money in it. Too money enough, coulda full up it. Rocks pan rocks, bricks pan bricks. Me have a matic with the clip. Island money with me. Money na me chain them. Big up the tugs them a me a pen.
As you can see, it adds lows before going into the EQ. So the sound that is coming out of this mix satellite here is being affected going into the next plugin. So I'm going to do it before and after again. So the mix satellite here is before this fab filter EQ. So what I'm going to do is bypass and pass it. Let us see how the sound really get affected before going into the EQ.
Money na me chain them. Big up the thugs them a me a pen. We not laugh we on money crazy. Catching all rich and they checking them crazy. Get stocks and money in it. Too money enough, coulda full up it. Rocks pan rocks, bricks pan bricks.
So it doesn't matter where. So I'm going to exaggerate on the highs. And bypass and pass it.
Money na me chain them. Big up the thugs them a me a pen. We not laugh we on money crazy. Catching all rich and they checking them crazy. Get stocks and money in it. Too money enough, coulda full up it. Rocks pan rocks, bricks pan bricks. Me have a matic with a clip.
So it does matter how you really arrange your plugins going into the other plugin or within your signal chain. It does matter how you really structure your plugin, because one sound being affected, like getting the coloration or whatever you do with it, it could be additive EQ, subtractive EQ, it could be distortion, saturation, it could be compression, it could be parallel compression or parallel EQ, you see it, or parallel serial compression or whatever the case may be. It does affect your sound going into the following plugin that is supposed to be going into. As you can see, I demonstrate, just a mere example, just to give you assurance that it does matter how you really have your plugins into your signal chain. So hope this video really makes sense. I hope you really learned something from it, or clarify something of what's been bugging you or whatever the case may be. It does affect how you really structure your plugin. In some cases, people might say, nah, whatever, it does not. But in my case, and what I've shown you here, it does affect the sound going into the next plugin. So thank you again for watching. Thank you again for tuning in. It's the boy Eldorado. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and check out my other content. And visit my website at eldoradoproductions.com for a bunch of goodies that I have there, including mixing and mastering templates. Peace out.